hours. Finally made it to Costa Rica. Woo!
Why I even started these, it's because of this. This is not fancy clothing, this isn't makeup, this isn't the best hairstyle. This is waking up so that we can see the sky go from dark to pink to bright, vibrant blue and see the waves crashing on the rocks. This is a reconnection to self, to nature, to the ocean. This is magic. This is magical manifestation, and this is living life limitlessly.
This is my third year coming to Althea's Retreats, and every year it gets better and better for me. I always learn more things about myself, about mindfulness, and I always walk away feeling refreshed and renewed and reset. The details that she puts into everything from the yoga sessions to meditation and just hiking and enjoying nature, it makes a difference. And it's not until I go home and I carry back the things with me that I learn that I can truly feel the impact of her retreat.
It's always a learning and growing experience. Althea always pushes my boundaries, makes me a little uncomfortable, but by the end I always feel loved and I've learned so much. The main part, I guess, is the locations. They're always fabulous and someplace I've never been or always wanted to go.
The facility is gorgeous. The grounds are amazing. The landscape in which you're doing this reflection really could be more ideal.
This place is truly magical. This group of people is magical. I don't really know how else to say it.
I have attended Althea's Mountain Retreat now for maybe 5 or 6 years, and it is absolutely wonderful. And it's just time to, for one, reflect on myself, but then I get to meet so many other wonderful people. And that is truly what makes it such a unique experience and such a transformational experience, where you connect with people that you were strangers when you got here, and then when you leave, you end up being friends and lifelong friends. So it is truly one thing that I look forward to every single summer. And I'm thankful that Althea uses her gifts to provide this opportunity for everyone.
And the way that she cares about every person who's on this trip. She cares about their spirit and cares about what will happen to them when they leave. I mean, it's just a very beautiful thing. And when we're here, she is the conduit to our connection.
She wants to make sure that everyone receives a magical experience.
Absolutely. And she is a conduit of